Yo, yo, what's up? We're hanging out inside the house. We're hanging out, cleaning up the old laptop. We had to clean up our fan belts. Lots of built up crap. The laptop was overheating, and I found out why. Dun dun dun! Look at all this stuff that was built up. No wonder it was overheating. Wasn't it? Look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. That's it's pretty thick. A lot of crap. This is actually like it was like oh well. Now there's crap in the truck. Hope I find it. There it is. All right, well you take care. I got shit to do.